Hi guys, welcome to the channel Wagwan Tours. We are in Icmeler and we are at Mr. Cheap and we're with the main man himself.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Cheap every day and sometimes Mr. Cheap expensive. So we have two different quality in the store. We're gonna show you what's cheap, what's expensive, what's good, so you'll see everything.
So let's see Wagwan, you guys all know the vibe. So take us in. So this is the main store, isn't it? And you also have your outlets.
Main entrance in our. We have two stores.
Yeah.
This is our premium place, and we have lots of different sections. We have 15 different sections. Our team is big. Like we have 40 people who's working here, personal shoppers. Nobody's pushy. We have personal shoppers because there is lots of different brands in the store. So you guys need professional help for this good experience. So let's have a check around and what we have, what the prices are. We have, for example, from one item, like two different quality. We have two different prices. We'll show you everything. Let's go. Let's go. So,
perfect.
For example, we do nice polo shirts. For example, I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, so there you go, guys.
These are, we call 100% cotton interlock. The material and the stitches, the badges, the labels inside, they're all really fantastic.
Yeah.
Soft material. These kind of clothes they wash the material first, after they cut them and they make a product. So washing period, it takes money and it takes the quality goes up. They put silicone enzymes and the material feelings, it's really important. If you buy something cheaper, also we have, for example, this one is £15. We sell them in our store.
And that's a polo. So again, if you're buying that designer in there, it's a steal.
It's good to explain because lots of guests are coming to Marmaris and Icmeler. They see, they think Mr. Cheap, why this is 10 somewhere, why this is 15 here, So I'm going to show you, for example, our thinner ones. These are Lacoste, for example.
Yeah.
So these t-shirts are £10 each in the polo shirts. They are also nice quality, but these are less material. Like for example, thinner material, less kilogram, less works on it. So the quality changes all the time.
Perfect.
But the wash is also good always because we are working here not like a touristic shop. We are working here for long-term business, and our customers keep buying back from us. They order online, they message us, and we ship loads of things to their country. So when they step in and step out, our connection always goes really good.
Perfect. So you don't have to be here to get the clothes.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. So we go around. This is a big shop. We have lots of choice. We like to give lots of nice selection to the customers. For 3 different stands, we have polos, for example, like 250 different designs in here. We have nice quality short sets. We do, for example, denim tears for youngsters.
Yeah.
Look, this material is a thick material, good quality print. These are high prints, and the print is not making any cancerogen. These are, when you wash them, it don't goes into the material after into your skin.
Yeah.
These are high quality ones, and when you wash them, you feel okay. This is perfect quality.
It doesn't lose. It doesn't start to peel or anything.
Yes,
it doesn't.
It doesn't peel. It doesn't goes like rough or hard. These are all nice quality.
And you got all the sets here as well, so you can do the shorts with the top. You can get the whole thing.
I don't want to also give same information all the time. We are selling quality bits and also less cheaper ones are good quality but end of size stock in our outlet store.
Yes, and the outlet store is also in Icmeler.
In Icmeler as well, yes.
Check out a previous
so
video.
I can get the microphone. It's easier. Let's go round to the next section.
Professional guy.
Yes, I'm gonna show you the next section. This section we do all kind of coats, jackets, gilets, parkas, and everything. Monclers,
your hoodies.
Yes, these are not fake. Actually, we call them Turkish originals.
Yes.
These are nice products. We have more than 50 brands we make by ourselves under our factory. It's our own names, not these. But most of people, they like to buy this kind of products.
Yeah.
So You know.
In the UK it's colder, so this is awesome.
Yes. So, for example, if you buy a waterproof stony jacket, it's if you splash your water on, there is no problem, and it doesn't go inside the water.
Nice and
you know, the handle and everything. Look at this. All details. It says Stone Island and everything. These are over-ram clothing. Over-ram.
Yeah.
So, when you buy them, you will love it. And this jacket is just £40.
And
if you come,
yes, which people love as well.
Ferraris,
so, yeah,
and
Lewis Hamilton,
Mercedes.
Yeah.
What's this? This is actually McLaren.
Yeah.
Do you know all different brands?
And again, in the UK, you need this pretty much 12 months out of the year.
Yes. So this announcement for everyone who likes shopping: come here ready with empty suitcase.
Yes.
We fill it up. We make you a package deals. This video can be 2-3 hours as well. I like talking. I like walking. I'm losing weight with Monjaro as well, guys. I'm using Monjaro. I recommend to everyone. For example, football jerseys. These are all embroidered badge ones. They are not printed badge, and we are selling them 3 for £30. But if you come with this video, I'll do you 3 for 25. I look after you. So this offer is a great offer.
Wagwan.
Look, wagwan, me Julie. Come on, look at this. These are all boxed Louis, Burberry's, Bosses.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at them.
They're all like a billboard model.
Yes. These are really good quality underwears for men's. Let me go around. Actually, we go outside if you like.
Yeah,
we go to our bag section. We show bag section. It's better from right. Yes.
So anywhere you go in a shop, you say Mr. Cheap, they know where to take you.
Mr. Cheap.
Hello.
Hi guys. Mr. Cheap Expensive.
Yeah.
Mr. Cheap Expensive shop. This is the premium one. The people who come to Mr. Cheap premium store, they think that's expensive shop. Oh my God. But you have to go to outlet if you want really cheap. And the people who like premium, if they bump in there by mistake, they say, oh, that's very cheap shop. We didn't find nothing. So if you want cheap prices and end of size stock, you go to outlets. If you want premium stuff for yourself, you come to this one. So I can't change the name. When I was 8-year-old kid, I used to sell slippers up the market in Icmeler. I used to shout cheap, cheap, cheap to everyone. So they just mark this name on me. I can't change it. If I change, how are you, boss? You're right. Thank you very much. How was your holiday? Are you happy? What? Yes. What do you think about the shop?
The shop's bang on. I've been to a lot of other shops here. Do you know what I mean? But nothing like this, mate. The quality's totally different. Even the aftershaves. I mean, flipping it, tobacco and vanilla, 280 quid at Harvey Nichols, and I just come here and got 2 for 50. So
there you go.
Come on.
You are the man. Thank you. Thank you very much. So you see lots of nice, like, people need to go happy from here. We are we have shops in the hotels as well. We do free shuttle service, pickups and drop backs. For that reason, this business is not in a global city, not in Istanbul or London. This is in Marmaris, so it's a small place. Lots of jealousy between shopkeepers and everyone, but for our success, we're closing our ears and we are looking after our job.
Keep going.
Yes. So, you know, bad reviews comes all the time. They are just trolling us, you know. We are not thinking about this. We are always thinking positive.
Think about the customer. Yeah.
Yes, to go, because even we don't search who's doing this. If they do this, even a bad review or a good review, you always go up a bit, always up a bit. Our business goes 40% every year, up a bit. This season is really bad in Marmaris, but we are still busy. So I recommend.
It just makes you get your asses out or contact him so we can ship it out as well.
Nice sunglasses. These are all like high quality ones. They are not going to affect your eyes. These are polarized, and actually once you buy this, you go back, and people are mostly come back in September as well. They are coming again to buy more. So we are not, like, we know this, our guests are coming back again and again.
Got that repeat customer.
We don't sell the cheap glasses even in our other store. Our sunglasses are £20 each, but we do 2 for 35. These are the premium ones and good quality ones. We do also from the fragrances. Fragrances are high quality oil based ones. We do 2 for £50, but these are the like 14 hours, 16 hours, it never come off, and it stays with you all the time. You will love it.
Yeah.
First you have to try, and you have to buy one, and then you see the difference.
And then you can see,
These are like, this is a different business. There is one guy who's running the perfumes in our store. He's actually doing really good. We are working with professionals. Also, that's why we have personal shoppers. We have to give good service, like fast, comfortable, free drinks, look after the guest.
Yeah.
If you buy or if you don't buy, no problem. Buying is no obligation. We can bring you, and you can see the Icmeler Bay, walk around, and still we take you back to your hotel.
Have a lovely day out.
Hospitality business. Also, these transfers we are cutting off from our tax.
Yeah.
We are a big company. When we give this complimentary service, we take off from our tax. For that reason, there is no cost to our company.
Yeah.
Instead of giving this money to the government, we are just using this money for our customers' happiness. And this is thanks to government about this as well. They are just letting us do this for tourism. This is a special help for the tourism actually from the government. We just decided to change this way to give a good service. Pickups and dropbacks free. Come always, even if you are tired, if you don't want to come, call our number under there. We have our number. You can call us on WhatsApp. You can check around the shop. You can choose what you want. We can bring to your hotel. You check. If you like, you buy. If you don't like, we still bring it back.
So you've got so many options. If you can't physically get here, there's a way.
Yes, one day me and Jeff Bezos will sit down and talk about Amazon business. One day he'll see this video hopefully. So
if you're
let's go out and show. This is the canal over there. The canal. People are walking down to the beach, and they are coming up from the beach here. Our billboards and posters are everywhere. Just come and see our place. There is like, from here to there is like 150 meters. It's long distance. We are making new decorated leather bag shop as well there. It will be open in July, leather bag section. Shop name is gonna be Mr. Exclusive. Don't forget this.
That is an exclusive?
This is gonna be really exclusive. Oh, you're here. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you, my handsome man? He's here. He like Marmaris.
I love it, yeah.
This is the place to be.
It is.
First thing we have to say, if you don't want stress, if you want a happy place to come to Marmaris. We are in Icmeler Bay. It's just 5 minutes, 6 minutes away from with the taxis and buses, but also it's just not far on your, if you tap your fingers on the messages on WhatsApp, we'll come and pick you up, and like, you love this place. Come and see here. We send you our service. What do you think about this guy using Monjaro? I'm getting slimmer. You see, I'm better than last year. I lost 45 kilo.
Wow.
Next time we see you, there'll be nothing.
45.
You're gonna be skinny soon.
My wife is not giving me Monjaro anymore.
But I saw the chicken. You have trays of chicken ready for you.
Yes, chickens are ready. We have, come on, 60 people working here, so they like chicken. Our chef Ekrem is doing very good. He's the best.
Mr. Cheap is great. We come here all the time. This is where we get all the clothes from. Every time we come to Mr. Cheap, it's the best one. Best one. Make sure you come.
So cheap. I say again, cheap doesn't mean bad quality.
No.
Cheap is my name.
Exactly.
I cheap like a budgie.
So make sure you check it out if you are coming to Icmeler. Again, there's so much information. We will put all the links at the bottom, and don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
guys.
Bye.
Thank you.